So hey guys, welcome to Coding Blocks. Today we'll continue our journey with system design. Today we'll talk about consistency. So as the name suggests, there's some consistent kind of thing involved here. Cool. Consistent. So, for example, if we go to a bank, SBI, for example, and we deposit 1,000 rupees in it, and the previous balance was around 5,000, and we we deposit 1,000 again. But after some time, probably next day, we revisit the ATM machine nearest to our house and we try to withdraw 6,000. We can withdraw 6,000 rupees. But actually, what happens is that we found that insufficient balance message pops. We directly go to the technical assistants or the staff of the bank and say that I deposited 1,000 rupees yesterday and today I'm not able to withdraw it. Total 6,000 rupees. So the technical assistant said that the database is not updated. So this is the poor customer service, poor consistency is resulted. So, and the data flow here is irregular data flow. So from this example, I hope you guys have understood what actually consistency is. There, consistency is the uniformity in the data. It's the uniformity in the data across all locations, all geographical locations. Now let's us look at the impact of consistency over a monolith and a distributed system one by one. Cool. So in case of monoliths, there's a single code base, as we all know. There's a single code base. No replication is there. So the data is natively consistent here. Contrary, on the other side, in the case of distributed system, regular efficient updates are required. Cool. Efficient and regular updates plus regular updates are required to maintain the consistency. So this is very important. Cool. Now we'll talk about the factors that helps us as improving consistency. Is first is we can stop the reading thing. Read is stopped if we do these thing until data is updated. So this is one such way in which we can give user a consistent data. Second is by improving our bandwidth. So if we keep in mind these two factors, then our consistency will increase to some extent. Now let us look at what are the different types of consistency, because it's also important to know the different types. First one is the strong consistency. So in case of strong consistency, as I mentioned, that the read requests are blocked until the updates are finalized. So strong consistency works on that principle only. So it the all the read requests are blocked until and unless an efficient update is present, so that the uniformity in data maintains and there's a regular flow present. Second is the weak consistency. So this is the worst type of consistency, and in this read requests are not updated, so there might be some ambiguity in the data present. Last is the eventual consistency. Eventual consistency is basically the type of consistency in which some part of the data, some users might get the old data and some might get the updated data, but at the end, at after a certain spam, all of them, all the customers, all the consumers will get the same amount of data, that is the updated one. So these were the different types of consistency. So I'll just summarize what was consistency. Consistency is the uniformity in the data irrespective of the location, if there should be a regular flow in the data. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you have got what I was trying to explain. We'll meet you guys in the next lecture with a new topic. Thank you.